Yo, what is up guys? It is that time once again. We have a brand new Antidote pack out. Wayo! This one we've called Medallion. Now Medallion is dedicated to the sounds of bass house and G house and all those other kind of bass infused house genres. I swear Spotify is starting to call it swag house or something like that. I don't know, but if it's got bass and it's got a 4 on the floor rhythm and it's kind of housey, you know, this pack is what it's all about. Inside Medallion features a whole bunch of awesome drums, bass sounds, fillers, and just all this other good stuff. Now in order to create the sounds of Medallion, we had to go and kind of dissect how the pros were like designing their basses, arranging their sounds, etc, etc. And one of the things we came up with was 3 iconic styles of basses. Screecher tones such as this, bass thumpers such as this, and wubs such as this. Now these 3 sounds are just really tools and components for you to add to create your own bass lines with. We basically did the homework so you didn't have to, and part of what we came up with for this pack was just a heap of amazing bass lines, and they're kind of like sidechain counterparts as well, so we got, you know, the best of both worlds obviously. And in order to take this pack to the next level, we've included 40 SERUM presets as well, just for extra creative control and like reverse engineering and just all this other good stuff. Because you know, we just had to add like an extra dimension to the pack really. So check out these SERUM preset examples, cue 'em up. And in true Antidote style, there is a bonus for the first week that this pack is live. I won't shed too much light on it apart from saying it is freaking wicked. So if you want to check out Medallion, the link of course will be in the description for you to learn more about it. I feel like we've kind of only like scraped the surface of this pack. There's so much more to it, and yeah, link in the description. I do hope you guys enjoy the sounds of Medallion. I will catch you later, and peace.